So let's say I'm just doing a mind map. Let's say I'm going to use the generic thing here, and I'm just going to quickly make a tree. So I'm going to have, let's see, I've decided what my root is, what my root concept of a mind map is. So let's say I want it to be A, and so I'm going to switch this to creating successors, because everything's going to be a successor of A. So let's say I have 3 basic large categories here. Say C is broken up into 2 categories. D is broken up into 2 categories. G has a couple of categories on it. Notice how quickly I'm creating that. Actually, that should be on G. There we go. So now I have a very simple tree. Okay, each child has only one parent, and each parent can have multiple children. That's a tree. So now A is the root because it's the one that has no parents. And so that's kind of by definition. Now, if I change the orientation to inner to outer, now it shows A in the middle of the graph, basically. And things stretch out from A. If I actually had 2, and I'm going to select the whole thing, I'm going to press Command-C to copy, and then paste again. That'll make a duplicate of my graph. Notice how it's created. Now I have 2 separate graphs, but the 2 A's are kind of centrally located to this. So that's how it works. If you have more than one root, but you like more than one tree, or what they call a forest of trees, then they'll be closest to the center of the diagram. Now, if my edges went the other way, and I'm going to select all here, and then in the let's see, edit menu, I'm going to say reverse selected edges. So now this is basically going to cause all the edges to flip direction, and the layout's going to look weird now. But if I change it to outer to inner, boom, now I've got back what I had before. So because now the edges are flowing outer to inner. So that's how that works when you're laying out trees.